How do you get multiple offers when selling your home? Well, we've got some tips for you. Hi, I'm Theresa Wellman with Homeowner Experience Real Estate, and today we're talking about a topic that is quite interesting here in the San Jose market. How do you get that bidding war on your house, and why do some properties sit a little longer? What are the differences, and what can you do to ensure that you get that bidding war? Well, we've got 4 main areas of tips for you to go over today. The first tip is that presentation and marketing of your property is critical. 99% plus of buyers are going to see your home online before they even come out and visit. So top quality photos, modern look and feel, such as modern colors, staging, all of these items pull a property together for it to show as best as possible so that you can get the most people in to take a look at the property. So it's really important to do those necessary home prep steps to maximize the presentation of your property, and also to hire a real estate agent who is going to do top quality marketing of your property to generate all that interest. The second point is going to be pricing. There's 3 ways you can price your property: at market, below market, or above market value. Now, some sellers think, well, I'm going to post it at this great price that I want or above market value to allow me a little negotiating room. Well, that is not how you're going to get multiple offers. Even in San Jose, if you're at market value, you're going to get decent traffic, but you're not going to build that frenzy and momentum and competitive spirit that is required to get multiple offers. You need to do the third option and is slightly underprice your property to generate all that interest. Think about an auction. You want people to come in really interested, take a look at your house and get emotionally attached, and then see that a lot of other people like it and get the feeling for competition so that they will come forward with their strongest, best offer because they fall in love with your property. Hey guys, my name is Theresa. I am so sorry for interrupting this video. If you've been enjoying this content, please like and subscribe as it really helps out my channel. And if you're looking to move to San Jose or have any questions about moving or the area in general, I would love to connect. I really enjoy talking with our YouTube viewers and I'm so happy to help. Check out my contact information in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Point number 3 is going to be timing. Now, when you put your property on the market is critical because you want to get a certain amount of exposure, allow people to plan to get out to the property, and really generate that interest before that first open house. So historically, my team has always put a property on the market on Tuesday. And that is because around here, most broker tours are Wednesday and Thursday, meaning that's when the agents are going to come through and take a look at your property and get a sneak peek before they start telling their buyers about it. But it also allows the online portals and everyone's search, if they've got set up alerts, to be pinged plenty of time before the weekend. We want buyers to review everything online, look at all your resources, and be ready to come out and see your home before Saturday. Now, if they want to set up a private showing Thursdays and Fridays, of course, that's great as well. But we really want to generate that push and interest for Saturday. Think about it. In the Bay Area, so many people are very busy. Their schedules are very full. They're working more than full-time jobs, and they need to plan ahead on when to come visit your property. It's really frustrating to me when someone throws a property on the market on a Friday and you have to scramble and try to figure out, can you fit it in? Can you not? We don't want buyers scrambling to see your house. We want them excited and interested in viewing online photos and planning on it so that they come really prepared and very interested, and then all of that interest channeling into the Saturday open house provides that feeling of competition that a lot of people want to see this property. And that's, again, how you get multiple offers and the best offer. And point number 4 is a delayed review of offers. So you'll see this quite often in the San Jose market where sellers are going to either set an offer deadline or request that all offers be held until after the open houses. It is quite amazing. Ever since the pandemic, open houses have become more and more popular. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that people are busy or they're working from home and they're not out and about as much and during the week, and they really want to come through that weekend open house. So allowing people to get through the property during the weekend is really important to getting the most exposure. More buyers through equals more potential offers. So if you delay those offer reviews, it gives everyone a chance to review everything in detail, including reports and inspections, maybe come to see the property a couple times and do their research so they're very prepared to come forward with a great offer. And it lets them marinate on how excited they might be for their family to move in, etc., so that they come in with a top, highest and best offer. They also know that if the seller's going to sit down and look at offers all at one time, they need to come in with their best offer because they probably only have one chance of sticking out, right? So it just encourages everybody to come in with their highest and best, which therefore gets you, the seller, top dollar. I hope you found all these tips quite helpful and valuable. If you have further questions or maybe I didn't touch on something, feel free to comment below or reach out at the contact information in my description. And if you'd like to learn more about our tips to sell guide, we've got a link on our website that takes you right to our step-by-step guide on how to sell a home in the San Jose area. And that link is in the description as well. Until then, watch some more videos.